Welcome to the Toggl tutorial. Here we're going to teach you how to use Toggl for MCJ 120 and your speed charts 179 hours. Setting up your workspaces. Your account has a default workspace named with your username. On the My Workspaces page, click on the Create New Workspace link. Enter the name of the workspace, MCJ 120 hours. Then click on Continue. In order to save on costs, we're going to be using the free version of Toggl. In this example, Toggl is the account, and MCJ 120 hours is the workspace. Click on the workspace name at the bottom of the menu. Click on the one you want to use. Setting up the MCJ 120 hours workspace. Click on Projects in the menu, click on Create Project. Enter the name of the project and click Create Project. Name, Shift Hours. You will track shift hours and multiple client project hours here. When you get assigned to a production project, you will use the earlier steps to create another project with the number and title of that project. You will create a project for each production you work on so you can track your work on that project. Submitting hours. Click on Timer in the menu, click on What Have You Done, and enter 179 shift. When submitting hours for a project, What Have You Done equals your production responsibility. Enter the start and stop time and date. Click on the green check mark to submit. Creating reports. Click on Reports in the menu. Click on Detailed. Select Last Month for a report of the previous month. To identify a time period across months, click on This Year and then navigate to the starting month and click on the first date. Then navigate to the last date and click. You can use the print feature in your browser to get a printout of the report. You can also download the report as a PDF or a CSV, where it will open as a spreadsheet.